Segment 1. Understanding everyday purchases. Hey Money Matters community. Today we're talking about saving money on everyday purchases. Start by tracking your spending on things like groceries and dining out. These small costs can add up, so it's crucial to pinpoint where your money goes. Use coupons and cashback apps to save on your purchases. Apps like Ibotta and Rakuten can give you cashback, and many stores offer digital coupons. Also, plan your meals and make a shopping list to avoid impulse buys. Sticking to a list can really cut down your expenses. Segment 2. Smart Shopping Strategies. Now let's dive into smart shopping strategies. Shopping online can save you money with exclusive discounts and free shipping. Use price comparison tools and apps like Honey to find the best deals and apply coupon codes automatically. Buying in bulk for items you use frequently can also be cost-effective. Just make sure you'll use the items before they expire. Finally, invest in reusable items like water bottles and coffee mugs. Making coffee at home and carrying your own water can lead to significant savings. There you have it, easy ways to save on everyday purchases. If you found these tips useful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Thanks for watching.